Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to block software installation in Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter the command secpol.msc, click on the command. When you access the console, click on Local Policies and then click on Security Options. Within the General Options, locate and double-click on User Account Control, Behavior of the Elevation prompt for standard users. After this, in the pop-up window, select the option to prompt for credentials on the secure desktop. Click on Apply and OK. After this, in the search box, enter gpedit.msc. Open the utility. There you will click on Administrative Templates in the Computer Configuration section. Then, under Windows Components, select Windows Installer. On the right side, double-click the Turn off Windows Installer policy. Now, in the pop-up window, check the option Enabled and in the field Disable Windows Installer Set Always. Apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.